battle. P. Visit Rod versus Sword Phoenix. Splendid. Check your opponent. Check your opponent's B. This B. Balance doctor attacks from the air and use incredible speed. This is a tip nail. Look, doing. Games back the base. This is the first battle. Green and Switzerland versus Red is Sword Phoenix. Who's gonna win? 3, 2, 1, go shoot! 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Oh, extreme dash! But this is actually a tie. Step out, extreme dash. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Ah! She'll win this. Go, Sword Phoenix! Extreme dash! Extreme finish. Sword Phoenix. 1 point. Spin finish. Okay. I used to hear the same. 3, 2, 1, go. I'm wearing a one piece. Bam! 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 Strong attack. Who's gonna win this? Who's gonna win it? 1 point again for 1 point again for Sword Phoenix or 1 point for Visit Rod. You know, it's gonna be African got no rod by rod. The win. We finish 2-0. Boom! Bam! Stream dash. Bam! This is very insane. Music that is the fencing. Music that is fencing. Music that is gonna win. Music that is Phoenix. Oh! Finally, 1 point for Music Rod. After all this time, finally. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Bam! 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 It's gonna win this. Bam! 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 It's gonna win. Who's the winner? Sword Phoenix. Speed finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! 3, 2, 1, go! This lunch. Sorry for the noise. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Bam! Bam! Defense again. Smash gonna be close. One point. Speed finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Bam! 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 Oh, he's defensing it. He's defensing it. Up to 4. No, last tawin niya. Oh my god, he's defensing it. Fence. Fence. defense. Defense. Ooh. It's all down to skill. Ooh. No win. Let's go. And 1, 2, 3.
Yes.
Game of